What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Sonoma County Living. In today's video, we're going to be taking a property tour in the Brush Creek neighborhood, and we're going to be taking a look at this property with some of the nicest views in the whole city. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys around, so let's start the tour. So to begin our tour today, I'm going to give you a quick view of the front. You have this private drive up to the property, this nice front yard patio here. But let's make our way inside this beautiful home. As soon as we step in, we are greeted by that amazing view, which I will show you a little more in a second. But let's turn this way, have a little dining space and the kitchen here. Now, if you're looking for a kitchen sink with an amazing view, look no further. Wow, that is really something. And before we make our way outside, let's just take a look at the living room. And then the master is upstairs and all the other bedrooms are downstairs. Master here, you got your own personal balcony. And here we have the master bath, tub, floating double vanity, and nice updated shower surround. Also have lots of closet space. All right, now let's show you guys this view. This is the real selling point on this house. This is incredible. This video won't do it justice. You really gotta see it in person, but oh my gosh, look at that. So this is looking east in Santa Rosa. So you have Hood Mountain right here, Sugarloaf in the back right there. This is Annadel, and then Taylor Mountain. So you have that full view of eastern Santa Rosa. And you're just above the treetops. And this is just an absolutely beautiful view. That will not get old. But let's take you guys downstairs. You have the garage right here. A little coat closet here. Half bath, another closet, another door to the garage. 2-car garage. Got the nice hardwood floors in here. And here we have a second living room. The double sliders with another balcony. So we're just below the balcony we're just at. And still have an amazing view on this lower level. Then downstairs we'll also find 3 other bedrooms. You have one on this side. A bedroom there. Another coat closet right there. Laundry. Full bath. And then 2 more bedrooms on this side. You know, let's take another look outside, because this is just unreal. Wow. And that wraps up today's property tour in the Brush Creek neighborhood of Santa Rosa. Now, if you like this property or you want to see more property tours similar to this one, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you've been thinking about purchasing in Sonoma County, feel free to reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to help you make a smooth transition here to beautiful Sonoma County, California. And with that being said, I'll see you around at the next video.